Schell is joining us, and she's brought a special friend with her, a special furry friend, as she always does. Julie,
Yes.
Who's our special guest today?
This is beautiful Batman.
Batman? Really?
Yes.
How much does Batman weigh?
23 pounds.
That's
and
Oh my
yeah,
gosh.
we're working on him. He's a project, that's
He's like
for sure.
a puma.
He is. Now, and we're doing what to Batman?
We're going to demonstrate some acupuncture, which is a form of traditional Chinese medicine in cats. And basically, it helps relieve so many medical problems, and especially for a cat like Batman, who, with his obesity and his dry skin problem, we're seeing a lot of improvement with him.
There you go. So, Dr. Julie Schell is, and we'll actually do it on air?
Absolutely.
We're going to do that on air in just a bit.
And we'll put one right here because I know you've got a little pressure
There you
this
do.
morning.
Calm me down, maybe. Very much, and like we said earlier, Dr. Julie Schell is going to explain to us how you can actually use acupuncture to help a cat or a dog or any pet,
Yes,
really?
any animal, absolutely.
Not fish. That would be a little tricky.
That would be hard.
Yes, it would, but you've done it on horses?
Yes, we have to for our training courses.
Isn't
Yep.
that interesting?
Oh, it's fascinating.
And we're joined by the cat whisperer, Joni, here, who's going to help help with Batman. Explain what kind of conditions acupuncture works for.
Basically, it can complement any sort of illness, and especially it's worthy in the illnesses that are like chronic illnesses, like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disorder, or chronic skin problems like allergy, dermatitis, and things like that. And so if you use a combination of that type of medicine, like acupuncture, which is considered Eastern medicine, with the Western medicine, which is the stuff we're all familiar with, it just complements each other so well that we get a longer lasting cure, the animals get better faster, and for a longer period of time.
Now, we're going to do something with our friend Batman here. What do you want to do?
Basically, we're treating Batman for several things. He came to us as an overweight kitty, and because he's overweight, he's developing some arthritis in his hind end. And we find that it's difficult for him to go up and down the stairs very quickly. Sometimes he'll do the bunny hop going down the stairs.
Yeah.
And so what my job is to help relieve the pain, prevent the inflammation of arthritis, so that he can move around more, which is going to help him lose more weight.
Very important to do. So explain sort of as you do this, what the process is.
Basically, before you start an acupuncture program on a cat, it's important to determine if there's any other underlying illnesses, like kidney problems, liver problems. So you do the whole Western workup first. When you're doing your acupuncture examination, there's different meridians that you can feel for all along the dog's back. They're called the back shoe points, the association points. And so if you're a really good practitioner, if you're really practiced, you can actually feel differences along the meridians and all of the different points.
Wow.
And the ones that are active, they might feel hot or they might feel tender to the animal. The animal might look around or try to bite you. The other thing that's important to feel is the pulse, and that's underneath their leg. There's a little vessel that you can feel their pulse really well, and that will help you determine what type of acupuncture to use, what type of herbal medicine to use as well.
So?
Yeah, and so we did that on Batman, and what I found is that the most active points are the ones near his hips and his hind legs. And so what I would like to do is a bit more acupuncture on him today to help relieve some of that pain and irritation that's going on in there.
And if someone were to bring their pet in,
Yep.
is this something that's 2 minutes at the office, or
No.
how does it work?
It takes a long time. First of all, doing the full physical examination is done, and that can take up to like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then after that, we can schedule them for different acupuncture treatments or herbal therapies. And so a usual case of acupuncture takes about a half an hour. I like to keep the needles in for at least 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And I like to make sure the animals are all comfortable and before we remove them. So it's a bit longer than what most people are expecting. It's not an in and out procedure.
Okay.
And so the first point is a nice little landmark. It's actually above the top bone of the leg.
Yeah.
And it's called bladder 54. And so what you do is just kind of push the needle in, pop it like that, take off the protective coating sheath, and just kind of tweak the needle a little bit. And as you can see, Batman doesn't respond at all. He does not care. It's a very thin needle, and it's actually probably making him feel good right now. It can often set up a little bit of a reaction of a bit of maybe muscle twitching.
There's frantic Batman, as you can see there.
Yeah, he's
just
so good.
Hysterical.
Doesn't even care. And so the other point that I like in Batman, because he is a little bit tender, is called gallbladder 30.
Right.
And it's basically near the back portion of the hip a bit more. And you just want to feel that point, pop in that needle. And kind of sometimes you have to like twist it in there to get it deeper. These are very, very thin, shallow needles. So if Batman was to get up and walk away, they might shift position or pop out.
Yeah.
And so you have to sometimes reinsert them.
And then there's more. Oh, there's more.
Yep. And then I like to do bladder 29, or sorry, gallbladder 29, which is just a little bit farther up.
I appreciate the fact that you picked points that are all on that side, the camera side of that.
We always do points on either side when we're treating a patient.
You would balance it out.
Yep.
You do, and you also have pictures of dogs. You do the same thing with dogs.
Absolutely.
Explain what the kind of things you can do with
This
dogs.
is Bobby, and basically she has elbow problems and arthritis in her elbow. And so this was her first acupuncture treatment, and she was just relaxed nicely on the ground. We have several points that we are using there, not only for her elbow, but for her shoulder, because there is some pain that's transmitted whenever you have a weak elbow to the other points. And this cute little girl is Miss Marple, and she has problems with chronically draining eyes and also a chronic bronchitis at nighttime. And so we are using points to help clear the lungs and to help clear the eye passages and the nasal passages. And so this shows that even though the acupuncture needles are right in the face of the animal, they tolerate it so well. They don't feel any pain. They just sit there nicely with their owners. I like to have the owners in the room petting them, calming them. And she was sitting like that for a good 10, 15 minutes.
Wow. You also have pictures of some very festive pets. What are these ones you brought in here?
These are our pet pictures with Santa, and we're so excited because this Sunday we get to have our pet pictures with Santa at our hospital.
Right.
And so a lot of animals come, and we are right now collecting donations for the Animal Cancer Therapy Subsidization Society.
Wow.
Yeah, and so it's a great organization that helps pets in need who do have cancer.
And is your Santa, of course it is the real Santa,
Absolutely.
especially good with cats and dogs?
Very good, very loving. We even had some people bring in gerbils, rabbits, many different cats last year, so it's always a riot.
If you want to know more information about acupuncture or just what's going on with Dr. Julie Schell and the Bow Bottom Pet Veterinary Center, you can give them a call or give them an email. Look at them up at bowbottomvet.com. Bowbottomvet.com. Look at that, and well done. Joni, you're very talented with that cash.
Good boy.
Good work. Thank you very much, Julie.
Thank you, Dave.